Richard to Bobo. Bobo. Richard pa rin bola to Mera. No good. Raba. Bola. Double dribble.
Sabi mo si People's Paradise, oy! Ikaw great! Kaya kayo Bulaga, no? Boss Topper, Kyrie Hyde, dali kong humba.
Beng, humba na naman, Beng. Bubog na ni Skyrim.
Elo Santos bringing the ball. Pass to Bobo. 3 seconds violation.
How can I referee card? Ay, kumpiyansa!
Timbal, pass to Karim. Karim, pass to Igoy. Traveling violation.
Kaya nga ni referee, puro travel.
Malayaw ngayon dribbling the ball.
Kahit bola sa Boss Topper.
Naghahanap ng kabasahan. Pass to Tuper. Bola pass to Ron. Ron pass to Richard. De Los Santos to Mera. No good. Rebound by Richard. Pass to Ron.
Resika sa saan?
3 seconds violation.
Wala na referee. Wala mo tayo, resika.
Igoy. Ato Daring. Timbal. Guard. Pass to Idon guard. Pass to Timbal. Rebound by De Los Santos. Pass to Richard. Ron. Tumera. Back to Daring. Igoy. Good for 2. Igoy. Bobo bringing the ball. 15 second shot clock. Bobo drive. No good. Rebound by Cabalquinto pass to Igoy jersey number 8 drive. Pass to Gary. No good. Pass to Tuper.
Dala ba? Dita ba? Sa, mga bosoy.
Pass to Richard Igoy. Bobo fake. Osparet.
Ay, darang mo ng sir, igat. Abot na. Mga sir, abot na. Ready na ata not box. Pulokyo.
Binigyan ng 2 tira si Bobo. Unang tira, wala. Last 4 minutes and 50 seconds. Pangalawang tira, no good. Rebound by Rauba ngayon nagdadala ng bola patungo sa kanilang tree.
Baraw.
Pass to Igoy. Pass to Cabalquinto. Good, Igoy. Last 4 minutes.
Oh, sige rin, dagan din sa to.
Richard. Pass to De Los Santos, rebound by Igoy.
Score.
Igoy jersey number 18. Tumira Rauba, no good. Bobo ngayon ng bola. Pass to Rodon.
Nice pass.
Good for Tuper. Jersey number 30. Esteban Ali.
Chamba. Tao ni Galuwa.
Ginze. 3 points committed by Tahiri.
Masalo kinahon kayong dagat.
Last 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Rodon ngayon. Pass to Richard P. Pass to Daring. Pass to Igoy. Good for Daring. Last 1 minute and 10 seconds. Bobo.
guys. Kay
Brava Pastor Igoy. Igoy good for 2. De Los Santos. Nagdadala ng bola. Pastor Richard. Score! 2-11. Upan! Isang foul ang rep. Timbal, second personal foul. Binigyan ng dalawang tira. Jersey number 30, Stephen Curry. No good. Sa unang tira. Prepare for jumper.
Yan guys.
Wala. Stephen Curry. Igoy, jersey number 18, dribbling the ball. Igoy. Pass to Cabalguito, tumira. No good. Rebound by Stephen Curry. Stephen Curry, naghahanap ng mga pass to Rono. Rono to De Los Santos. Nag-iisang ikaw, pass to Richard. Foul dari jersey number 1. Last 1 minute 40 seconds. Unang tira. Score.
3-11.
Prepare for jumper for the second row. No good. Cabalguito, dribbling the ball, pass to Timbal. Timbal drive. Ay, traveling violation Dili magreklamo kay professional na ato referee. Sa mata makikita rin Bubong. Bubong po Foul pa. Who's foul red? Cabalguito. First personal foul, jersey number 28. Prepare for jumper.
Warning for penalty.
Warning for penalty. Team Blue, warning for penalty. Rebound by Igoy. Igoy taking the ball. Seconds of play, last 20 minutes, 20 seconds. 19, 18, 17, 15, 14.
Go boys.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hi guys, nandito sila guys. Yung score guys ha.
Hi guys! Hi guys! Hi guys! Muli mo mga views guys!
Yan yung score nila guys oh.
Yeah guys!
Dito lang. Ayan guys
Yeah
oh.
guys! Kanang naka-pink guys! Naka-pink!
Okay guys ha, ito yung score nila guys no. Yan, nagdula sila guys no. Para sa araw sa pista guys no. Oh, sa Badoo
Araw
guys
ng
no.
pista?
Oh.
Grabe no!
Araw
Araw
ng
ng pista!
Wala pa yung mga sponsor dire? Ano ba mga sponsor dire?
Let's play the ball game.
Ayan guys, mga sponsor
Second
guys.
quarter.
Okay, salamat guys ha. Thank you. Yan ko sa YouTube channel ko po. Tulong niya Sanchez, isang vlogger po. Salamat guys. Thank you. Bye-bye.